What is going on, guys? A lot of updates, a lot of stuff to fill you in on. However, today is beautiful, so what we're gonna do, we got the FC out, just went to the gym. It's very dirty, haven't washed it in a very long time. Wheels are disgusting, so I'm going to be making a batch of wheel cleaner and then going to wash it. I already have the pressure washer set up. Update on the FD. And also, I went to AutoZone. I'm gonna try it. I've never messed with it before. There goes that. Got some fiberglass kit, repair kit. And when I wrecked it, went over the curb, busted this piece out, and snapped it there. So instead of just drift stitching it like it was before, I'm actually trying to repair it. So let's hope that goes well. I'll do another video on that. However, right now, main focus, get this clean, and that's about it. All right, so I got everything set up. I'm about to start cleaning it. I'm gonna time lapse everything, so enjoy. I always forget to make an outro kind of thing. So I finished cleaning the FC. Wheels look a lot better. Clean the insides pretty well too, so they're good. I even wiped down the dash and everything in here. I still have to like clean up the floor a bit, but everything's looking good. Did the windows and everything. Got it all shined up. These wheels are actually going to be going on the FD relatively soon. I need to order a new TE for the front, and that just is going to set me back money wise. So update coming for this car. This car's all cleaned up, ready to go, and that's about it. So if you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys next time.
I'm grinding, that currency coming, I'm sexing the money, I'm shining, I'm certainly stunning, the bros call me gunning. I know they don't know me, but after my show and they tell me it's nothing.